Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable quick ball feature on any Xiaomi smartphone, and it's gonna be super easy. You just have to follow my steps, and also I will show you how to disable and edit quick ball. So the first thing you have to do is to open settings here and then scroll down, and then you will find here explore new features. Click on it and then click on quick ball. And if you just wanted to turn on quick ball and don't want to change it or something like this, and then simply click here, and now it's working perfect. And by default you will have these kinds of shortcuts. And if you want to edit your quick ball or if you want to relocate these shortcuts, simply follow my next steps. Okay, the next step will be to change shortcuts. So go here, yeah, and then if you press these buttons, yeah, you can simply relocate them as much times as you want. And also you can change shortcuts. To change them, simply click here, and then let's change for mobile data. And also you can add apps if you want. So let's add some apps. Yeah, these are also available shortcuts, and these are all of apps. Yeah, these are all of apps that are available in my phone, so I can add any app in my phone. So I will add camera here, and then I will add let's see, so I will add Chrome browser, and for the third one I'm gonna add clock. Yeah, this is the perfect shortcuts for me, and I will access to my apps faster with this quick ball, and it's very comfortable for me. And here is another feature here, preferred gesture. Right now it's on tab mode. It means that if it's in a tab mode, you can use it only by tapping, and if it's on swipe mode, you can use it only by swiping. Yeah, only by swiping. And I prefer tab mode, and I suggest you to. So let's move to the next feature, hide automatically. No, you don't need this feature. Yes, let's skip this one. So move aside when full screen, so it must be turned on to not interrupt you while you are in a full screen. Turn this feature on, okay? And stick to the edge after 3 seconds of inactivity. So I prefer turn off this feature, because if I turn it off, I will access my quick ball faster and easier. So I suggest you to turn off this feature too. So I suggest you to turn on show on lock screen feature. It helps me to use quick ball even if my phone is locked. I mean, I can use it on lock screen. And if you want to restore these defaults, or maybe you didn't like these shortcuts or their locations, simply tap and click on restore defaults, and you will restore defaults. And yeah, it's easy. Yeah, as you can see, we have successfully restored defaults. And if you want to disable it, simply click here again, and yeah, it's disabled now, and it worked. And guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me, and I need your support, guys. And don't forget to hit the notification bell also, so you don't miss anything new. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.